Hello and welcome to another video from the series Mastering ChatGPT Prompts. Now, did you know ChatGPT can help you with reading? What do I mean by reading? Well, let me show you 3 ways that ChatGPT can increase or help your productivity in the direction of reading. So let's start with a very simple one. If you have a book that you like, for example, Rich Dad Poor Dad, you can ask ChatGPT, can you recommend a book similar to Rich Dad Poor Dad? Dad. So let's see. And it automatically spits a couple of alternatives. Now, in general, it will spit about 4 or 5, but you can, if you want, increase this in the future. Good, that was a simple trick or a simple use case. Now, another one is the ability to do translations. I know you have Google Translate, but you can also use ChatGPT for that. So let's say, can you, or let's just say, please translate into German this sentence. And let me give him the sentence. This is a really nice YouTube video. Like and subscribe. Now let's see. And according to the German that I know, that matches. But you can see the use case. It can help you translate larger text. And last, but definitely not least, you can use ChatGPT to summarize. And I'm talking like really summarize. So please, or can, please summarize the following article for me. And let me give it URL. And let's see. Perfect. So the article is about differences between WebDriver IO and Cypress. And I'll link it in the description if you want to see it. It's pretty long and it goes into different sections of comparison. But there you have it. These were 3 ways that you can use ChatGPT to improve your reading. As always, thank you for watching the video and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one and bye-bye.